Penwood High School in St. Andrew, one of the schools participating in face-to-face teaching, has been forced to close after a member of staff tested positive for COVID-19. Now, this was confirmed this afternoon by chairman of the school, Gregory Pullen. Mr. Pullen told our news center that the school closed about 11 o'clock this morning. Face-to-face classes at Penwood High will be suspended for 10 days.
We had a teacher that had attended school for 2 days and has been isolating for 1 week since that because she had symptoms. She was confirmed positive today, and protocol dictates, of course, that we close. So we closed immediately, and we'll be closed for deep cleaning and then for 10 days.
Mr. Pullen says despite the positive case, the level of exposure to the virus is low.
She only spent 2 days in school since we have reopened, and she wasn't exhibiting symptoms at that time. She was isolating while exhibiting symptoms. Now, we're taking direction from the Ministry of Health, of course, and they'll direct us with regards to contact tracing or whatever else they require.
Earlier this week, Education Minister Favour Williams reported that there are now 76 schools open for face-to-face classes. 129 schools were approved for face-to-face classes before the start of the new term on January 4. However, school administrators were given a 2-week period to complete preparations and reopen.